In this video, I will show you how to download and install Meta AI app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open App Store on your iPhone. Now on the bottom bar, tap on Search. Now in the search bar at the top, enter Meta AI. Now tap on Search button at the bottom. Now from the results, tap on Meta AI. So this is the application from Meta Platform Inc. And in order to download and install this app, just tap on Get. Just complete the security instructions and this will download and install the app on your iPhone. Just wait for a couple of seconds for the application to get download. And once the installation gets over, tap on Open. So here is your Meta AI app on your iPhone. Now tap on Get Started with Meta AI. You can continue with Facebook login or you can continue with Instagram. So that is how you can download and install Meta AI on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.